Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, I'm not sure what to order. Can you recommend something?
Sure, we have a few options. You could try a latte, cappuccino, or Americano. They're all popular choices.
What's the difference between them?
A latte is espresso with steamed milk and a small layer of foam on top. A cappuccino has espresso with equal parts steamed milk and foam. An Americano is espresso diluted with hot water.
I see. I think I'll try the latte.
Great choice. Are you having it here or to go?
For here, please.
What size would you like?
I'll have a medium-sized latte. And can you make it extra hot, please?
Absolutely. And would you like a single shot or a double shot?
Double shot, please. I need the caffeine today.
Anything else you'd like with that? Maybe one of our pastries or muffins?
Sure, what do you recommend?
Our blueberry muffins and croissants are customer favorites. They go great with coffee.
I'll have a blueberry muffin then.
Excellent choice. That'll be $7.50, please. I'll have that ready for you in just a moment.